Hi everyone, I'm Wendy Tomlinson. I'm an EFT master practitioner. Today I'd love you to do some EFT tapping with me, emotional freedom techniques, and we're going to combine them with affirmations today. This is to help you to feel like you are enough, to feel like you deserve the good stuff in life. Okay, so let's start tapping. So if you've never done EFT before, just tap along with me. You can either say the words out loud with me, or you can just listen and take them in. But I encourage you to do some EFT tapping every day. This is what we call positive EFT. And I encourage you to also fill your mind with affirmations that support you. If you're new to affirmations, just write them down and just try and keep a few in your head that really, really resonate with you. If you want some help creating some that are specific for you, just drop me a message below and I will leave my EFT guide link and my affirmations guide link in the comments below. There's also a law of attraction guide that you can check out as well, because affirmations and EFT, they are all tools that you can use to help you manifest the life that you want. Let's start tapping. I'm tapping today to feel really good about myself. I'm tapping today to feel like I am enough. I'm tapping today to feel like I really, absolutely, totally deserve all the good stuff in life. I am enough. I do deserve the good stuff. I am a really fantastic person. And you know what? If you're not telling yourself that you're a really fantastic person, don't expect other people to think it. And I know that if you're here watching this video, you want to feel your best. You want to be a really, really good person. I'm sure that you already are a really, really good person. But you probably just need to change the messages that you're giving yourself. So let's tap at the top of the head. I am a really, really fantastic person. I am a really fantastic person. And I am enough. I am enough. I'm good enough. I'm absolutely good enough. I deserve the good things in life. I absolutely, totally deserve the good things in life. I love and cherish myself. I love and cherish myself. I'm not perfect. Nobody is. And I don't need to be perfect. I'm good enough, just the way that I am. And even though I'm good enough just the way that I am, I'm always looking at ways to improve. I always want to be my absolute best, the best that I can be. And I totally deserve all the good things in life. I totally deserve the good things in life. I'm ready, I'm open, I'm ready to receive all of the good things in life. I allow them into my life now. It's safe for me to allow them into my life now because I am good enough and I do deserve these things. I am enough. I am enough. I am enough. I am a wonderful person. I am a wonderful person. I love and accept myself just the way that I am. I love and accept all past versions of myself. I love and accept myself now and into the future. Oh, I am enough. I am enough. And I deserve all of the wonderful things in life. I'm ready. I'm open to receive all of the wonderful things in my life. I am enough. I am enough. I am a wonderful person. I am a wonderful person. I'm not perfect, and I don't need to be perfect. I am enough. I am enough. I am enough. I love and cherish every part of me. I love and cherish every part of me. I love being me. I love being me. I love being me. Give your hands a shake out. Oh, okay. So you can keep going. You can. I put timestamps on, so you can just do that EFT tapping point if you want to come back and keep doing this with me. But you can say, just think of different things that you can add in, you know, to really raise your vibrations and really just help yourself feel amazing. Because if you feel amazing, your energy is high, your vibrations are high, and that puts you in a place for manifesting all the good stuff. It puts you in a place for manifesting, achieving the things that you want to achieve. And it's a really positive place to be. If you feel really low about yourself, then don't be surprised if low things come into your life. So you want to keep your vibrations high, and I recommend that you start your day with EFT and affirmations. And people sometimes say to me, well, Wendy, I haven't got time in the morning to do EFT. One round of EFT, I'm amazing, I'm fantastic, I'm such a wonderful person. That 1 minute of your time, one round of EFT, that will start you off in a really good place. And obviously, yes, if you've got the time to do 3 or 4 rounds, you know, 5, 6, 7 rounds, that is amazing. And one of the things that I like to do is walk around, sort of like almost dance around, march around sometimes, depending on what I'm focusing on. And that really gets the energy going. Drinking water, that gets your energy moving and flowing. Any kind of physical movement, it gets your energy flowing the way that it should. So these are all really good things. And I want to just finish off by saying, whenever I do any affirmations or EFT sessions focusing on I am enough, I often get comments saying, enough for what, sort of thing. You choose enough for what. So there have been times in my life where I have felt not good enough. So when my marriage ended, I felt that I wasn't a good enough wife to keep my marriage going. And that just simply wasn't true. There have been times as a parent where I thought, oh, I'm not doing good enough at this. I'm not good enough at this. You know, I felt like I've been letting my son down, you know, because I'm not being a good enough parent. And that was absolute rubbish. I was always doing my best. There have been times in my work life where I felt like, oh, I'm not good enough at this. And these are just messages that you have told yourself. You know, I'm not good enough to be successful. I'm not good enough to get that promotion. I'm not good enough to have the most wonderful relationships. That kind of thing. Don't let those be your messages. You keep telling yourself, I am good enough. I am good enough to have a wonderful, happy, healthy relationship with someone who absolutely adores me. I am good enough to have the business that I want. I'm good enough to get that job that I want. I'm good enough to get a promotion that I want. Whatever it is that you have been telling yourself, I'm not good enough. I've got this doubt that I'm not good enough. Change the story and just tell yourself, I am good enough. I am good enough. Just think about some of the some of the people who have the most successful businesses. And particularly thinking, I used to have, years and years ago, I used to have a pub restaurant. And at that particular time, there was a celebrity chef who actually wasn't a particularly good chef. I had a chef working for me who was absolutely amazing, and he had taught quite a few of the celebrity chefs, but he didn't like having his own business. He wasn't business minded at all, and he fully accepted that, and he followed his passion, doing what he loved with someone else running the business. And this other celebrity chef at this particular time, we're going back quite a long time, he wasn't a particularly great cook. He was an okay chef. He was an okay chef. He obviously had a good level of skill, but he wasn't the best. But he had the business mindset to just do really, really well. And can you imagine the messages that he was telling himself? He knew that he wasn't the best chef in the world, but he just kept telling himself, you know, I am enough, I am enough. I can be absolutely successful in this. And you imagine if he was sort of saying, I'm not the best chef in the world, so I'm not going to do any good at this. It's the messages we tell ourselves that take us the places we want to be, or block us from being where we want to be. So take stock of the messages that you're telling yourself, and if they're not supporting you, change them. You can use EFT tapping to help give positive energy to those new beliefs. You can use affirmations to give new energy, give like positive energy to those beliefs as well, to help change the belief. So use this video as a starting point. I would really, really love you to drop me a comment below and, you know, tell me where it is that you're feeling like, oh, I'm not feeling good enough, or tell me what limiting beliefs you feel that you have, and let's work on what you can do to change that story, tell a new story, do the EFT tapping to raise your vibrations, say the affirmation to raise your vibrations, and say the affirmations to change the beliefs. So drop me a message in the comments below, or even if you just want to just say, I really like this video, it was really helpful, please do that, because it really helps me grow this channel. Although I've been making YouTube videos for many years, I had a long period of time where I wasn't making any, and I was starting back on zero again when I started earlier on this year. So I really need your help to get my videos out to more people. So the way that you can do that is by liking the video, leaving me a comment, and making sure that you subscribe. That helps more than you can possibly imagine. Okay, that's all from me for today. See you again soon. Bye.